Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy with another video, and today I'm gonna be working on my son's 335i. I'm gonna be installing some coils for him and some brakes, but I'll just be showing the coils. He got some BC coils for Mia. Here they are. These things look nice, boy. Sheesh. Sheesh. Let me turn the brightness up. Oh, wrong way. Yep. Let's see. These are the front struts, and then wait. These are the shocks, dampers for the rear, and here are the springs for the back, the adjustable. So yeah, I'll be doing that for this video. Here she is, looking fine. She came to slay with no delay. Right now she is sitting on H&R springs. I think they're racing springs, so those are the lowest ones. And I mean, she's not bad, you know. It's not that bad, but you know how we do. You know how we do. We like to go a little lower, so then BC's should do the job. Yeah. I'm not gonna be showing too much of the process since there's other videos, you know, showing everything. I'm just gonna be showing y'all like me working on it. So you're Alright Chiefs, so I just got done taking off the two front struts, and I already put on the new BC coils in there. Let me turn on the brightness. Pow! There they are, looking clean and fresh and ready to go. Forgot to adjust them, but no biggie. I'm about to adjust them right quick, and yeah, I already put the other side on too. So I'm just gonna do the front today, and the back I'm gonna do tomorrow hopefully. So yeah, let's do it. Shoo! All right, familia. Well, I just got done putting in the coils in the front, and the gap is gone. Let me show y'all. Yeah, the gap. There used to be a gap right here. Now it's gone. Hey, and they're not even maxed out. So hold on, let me turn on the brightness right quick. Yeah, and they're not even maxed out, so that is really good. I feel like if I lower it more, it's gonna rub, so I'm gonna just keep it there until he gets some, whenever he gets some wheels and stretches the tires, he should be good. But yeah, I mean, it looks really good. I'm digging it. Can't wait until we slam it all the way. Same thing on this side. Hey Blue, what you think about that? You like it? Yeah, come here. Yeah. But yeah, this is all I'm going to do for today. I'm going to do the rest tomorrow hopefully. But yeah, there she is, sitting pretty. She's sitting pretty. But yeah, that's it guys for today. I'll see y'all tomorrow, familias. Peace. Hey, what's up fam? It's the next day, and I'm about to finish the rear for the 335i. And to be honest with y'all, I think the hardest part of this job is going to be taking off these freaking the bolts from the wheel. These things are like, it's like somebody put some concrete on them before they put them on, and they, you know what I'm saying, like they put some concrete in there. So I'm trying to get these things loose. So yeah, let's get started. You coming out, boy. All right, Chief, so I just got done taking off the rear shock. This is the old one, and here goes the new. Uh-oh, here come the new. Whoop whoop. Yes, she looking clean. That's the shock, and this is the, oh, you wait. Orale. And this is the spring right here with the adjustable thing. So yeah, this wasn't that hard, you know, I mean, you know, pretty easy. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I already installed the rear shock and the spring on the rear. Let me turn the brightness on. Yeah, there we go. It's not focusing. But yeah, I installed the shock and there's a spring. Hey, BC Coils, they're pretty slick. I like how they did the dampening, the soft and hard right there. Here's the dampening right here. Like they put a little knob there. And then once you put everything back, well, you put the knob and then you put this. You put this on top of it. So once you put everything back, this can be sticking out, and you can adjust it from outside. So that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I like that. Thinking focus. Soft and hard. So yeah, that's pretty dope. BC Coils. Yes. But yeah, I'm about to do the other side the same way, and I should be done. All right, familia. So I just got done putting in the shocks and springs on both sides. So let me turn on the brightness. There's that side, the other side. There's a spring, adjustable spring. We set, baby, we set. Feel me? Pasa la hookah. Yep. So now I just gotta clean up in here. I already cleaned up on this side. Got that done. And this is the thing that I was talking about right here. See how it's sticking out? So you can adjust the damping, soft and hard. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I like that. But yeah, I'm gonna just clean up, put on the wheels, and we will see how low she is sitting. Gang. All right, guys. So she is done. Baby girl Mia is done. I already dropped her, so I'm about to show y'all. Hey! Shoo! Yes. Okay, girl. I see you. I see you. We got plenty. I mean, this is kind of low. I still got plenty of thread left, so I think I still haven't rode her around. So maybe once she settles down a little bit more, she'll come down a little bit. But I think it's pretty good for now, you know. Once he gets his wheels, we can slam her even more, like completely max out the coils probably. But yeah, she is low. We out here. Cheer. Yeehaw. Look at that. Shoo. Okay, let me show you this side. Blue man, what the? Here goes this side. Let me turn on the brightness. Here you go. Hey, okay, girl. Okay. Yeah, she's looking pretty clean. Pretty good height right here. What I'm talking about. Yeah. She needs a wash pretty bad. I might go to the car wash today or maybe tomorrow. So yeah. So I'm gonna do a cinematic before I finish the video. So, but before I do that, I'm going to take her to the car wash so she can be clean, fresh and clean. Feel me? So yeah. If I don't do it today, I'm gonna take her to the car wash tomorrow, and I will do the the cinematic then. So chill.
Yo, Gunna.
Run that back, turbo.
Baby, sold out dates, cash every day. I got you a mace, I light up blue rays. This cheat on my pet, the condo a cage. Addicted to sex, I gotta get laid. My jacket all white, don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got a maid. Her ape in the night, I'm still rocking beige. Live on paradise, I don't see the shade. Know the back end, I'm back on the road. Know the protect, paid off her show. Dripping this rough, more this V long. Hoes by the pair, I'm never alone. Sleep on the lair, come on, they go solve. 8 in a 2 and let it dissolve. Brought me my dinner, young gon' wanna ball. Rock the whole concert and hot than a frog. My foreign's a toy, I'm still a kid. 10K this year for Coachella is lit. Bro got umbrellas to cover her wig. Open some money, let them in a trench. Lightning bolt diamonds cause I want revenge. We straight like a lineman, I really got rich. Some more fancy yellow diamonds in my pits. Don't get it confused, I'm still banging the seat. New Cartier, Gunna a done. Niggas try to soak up the drip like a sponge. Hatred's contagious, I keep me a gun. I'm focused on making an M in a month. Baby order 20,000 at once. Walking in by, I'm not asking how much. I'm better on the bottom, you need to catch up. Consistently dropping, I need me a dub. Sold out dates, cash every day. I got you a mace, I light up blue rays. This cheat on my pet, the condo a cage. Addicted to sex, I gotta get